everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I am going to prepare a 4-step facial using potato and 3 or 4 other ingredients. I will also share some massaging techniques with you all. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. At first, I am grating a washed potato and then I will strain its juice using a strainer. Guys, instead of wasting a lot of money on expensive parlors, you can make your own facial at home using natural ingredients. It is very beneficial for our skin as it helps in achieving good glow on our face and also makes our skin lighter and brighter. After face wash, I am cleaning my face using gulab gel. The first step is cleansing. For cleanser, I am taking 1 tablespoon of potato juice into a bowl, adding half a tablespoon of gulab gel and half a tablespoon of lemon juice into it. After mixing it well, our cleanser is ready. I will dip a cotton ball into the cleanser and apply it all over my face. After 2 minutes, I will wash my face using normal water. Potato is a natural skin bleaching ingredient which makes our skin brighter and clear. Lemon juice reduces dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Our second step is scrubbing or exfoliating. For scrub, I will take 1 tablespoon of coffee powder, 1 tablespoon of grated potato, half a tablespoon of gulab gel and half a tablespoon of sugar into a bowl and mix it well. I will apply the scrub all over my face and scrub it on my skin gently using circular motions. Sugar can be used as a natural scrub. Coffee helps in reducing tan and dark spots. Gulab gel gives a natural glow on our face. After scrubbing for 5 minutes, I will wash my face using normal water. Our third step is massaging. For massaging gel, I am adding 1 tablespoon of potato juice, half a tablespoon of honey and half a tablespoon of malai into a bowl and preparing a smooth gel. Honey and malai will make our skin soft and glowy. Our massaging gel is ready. I am massaging my face using this gel and also sharing some massaging techniques that will help in making our face glowy and improve blood circulation. After 10 minutes of massaging, I will wash my face using cold water. So the last step is face pack. For this, I am adding 1 tablespoon of gram flour, half a tablespoon of honey, 2 tablespoons of potato juice and 1 tablespoon of rice flour into a bowl and prepare a natural face pack. Rice flour and gram flour helps in making our face clear and brighter. You can already see the glow. I will apply this pack on my face and let it dry for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I will take gulab jal on my hand and start to massage my face gently using circular motion. After 5 minutes of massaging, I will wash my face using normal water. I am also rubbing an ice cube on my face. It will tighten my open pores. At last, I will apply my Good Vibes toner and Oriflame moisturizer. So this was my 4th step potato facial. I hope you liked my video. Like and share my video, drop your precious comment, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button to get notified whenever I upload a new videos. Take care guys, bye bye.